Alright, here we are back at Whitehaven on Edmond, site update number 9, and we're in the final stretches of having these amazing 6 townhouses all complete. All of the external work now is pretty well complete by a little bit of painting, aluminium front fence and landscaping, and on the inside we've had all of the fit-offs take place, lights, plumbing, appliances, the timber floor's gone down and it's looking absolutely amazing. So let's go in and have a look at Whitehaven on Edmond with only a couple of weeks to go in construction. What we've got going on here at the moment is the guys are putting covercrete down. So that's our covering of the concrete. We've chosen a dark grey, white and light grey finish for all of the pathways here as well as the driveway. And they've just applied that coating this morning and they're putting some sealing on it. So that'll really start to finish off the entrance to each of these townhouses, making them look pretty special. The last time we were on site, we didn't have any of this driveway down and the front fence wasn't built. But since we've been here, obviously the driveway's gone down, the block laying renderings all happened on the front fence, as well as our side boundary fences are all going in here. So you can see this timber fence beside me. Once the landscaping starts, we're going to have a creeper that comes right along this driveway that will ultimately make this a green wall over time, and it's going to look pretty special as you drive up into Whitehaven on Edmond. Let's go inside now and have a look at some of the finishes in these townhouses. Alright, so we're inside townhouse 1 here, and as you can see, we're pretty well complete. We've just got the builders clean to take place, and the painters are just finishing off the painting of the stairs, which is a real feature in this townhouse where we've used a Vic Ash on top of the treads, and then we've painted the risers and the stringers to give it a really nice effect with the timber, and that timber matches in with the floors that we've used here as well. See, the glass balustrading's all gone in, as well as the pendant lights, the plumbing fixtures and the appliances. So with a little bit of painting to take place and the builder's clean happening next week, we're going to see this townhouse complete, barring the little defects that we need to tidy up before we hand it over to its new owners. If we come through here, you'll be able to see into the master bedroom. We've got the powder room here, which is accessible for this whole level. And then we come into the master bedroom and you can see all of the carpets now gone down, as well as our robes and wardrobes have all been fitted off. And into the ensuite, we've had the shower screens, plumbing and everything fitted off as well. So there you can see just how close Whitehaven on Edmond is to finishing. Over the next month, we're going to see the completion of the landscaping, the finalisation of the painting, the aluminium for the front fence, and all the little tidy up jobs happen here. We've also lodged the plans for planned ceiling with Brisbane City Council. Once those come out, we'll be able to lodge the titles office and we'll be calling for settlements for the 4 people who have already bought here at Whitehaven on Edmond. With 2 townhouses left to sell, we have no doubt they'll be gone before completion and everyone will be able to move into their new home. So stay tuned for the next update, which will be the finished product here at Whitehaven on Edmond.